Alright, so I wanted to get a camera, right? Yesterday I went to go look at some, and I'm so happy I didn't buy a camera just by itself. Because today on Best Buy they were having a steal, and I had to get it, man. I'm going to Hawaii in October. I just want to get some epic pictures and videos for y'all. So, here we got today. Got the bundle. The Canon Eos Rebel T6 comes with the EFS 1.8 55mm lens and the EF 75 300mm. This lens by itself is $300, so I'm like, this whole package right here was $4.99, but Best Buy matches Amazon prices, so go on there, it's $4.50. This camera by itself is like $500-600, so I had to get on this. So we open it up, starting. Right here we got the Canon bag. Open that shit up in a minute. Got this lens, Best Buy, $300. It's fucking crazy, man. We got the camera itself. Boom. So first let's open up this bag. So stoked to take some videos and pictures. Hey, here we go. The camera right here, lens right there. Pocket. Open up this lens if I can. Just fucking drop it. That'd be bad. It'd be horrible. Yeah, man, this was a steal. If I was you guys, I'd go get one of these, because I think they got like 2 or 3 packages left, but you can always order it online on Amazon. This camera. God damn it. It's hard to do this with one hand. Canon strap, go around your neck, battery, charger, little battery, got the 55mm lens, and the camera itself. Oh, stoked. Get this thing. Boom. It's sick as hell. Can't wait for this shit. So yeah. If you guys looking to get a camera for a good deal, you get this whole package with a year warranty for $580 or $560, one of those. So yeah, peace.